the new channel. Hashtag TNC Now.
The views, opinions, and insights expressed in the following shows are those of the host, producers, guests, and viewers. They do not necessarily reflect the position of the channel. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hi everyone, good evening, and I am John Francis Adinsonorin. I am from Visayas, and I am the KWC Philippines 2024 Grand Champion. At samahan niyo po ako ngayon at kakantahan ko po kayo at hope you like it, guys. She's always on my mind, from the time I wake up till I close my eyes. She's everywhere I go, she's all I know. Though she's so far away, and just keep getting stronger every day. My friends keep telling me that if you really love her, you gotta set her free. And if she return is kind, I know is mine. So tell me, where do I start? 'Cause it's breaking my heart. I don't want to let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. And maybe our hearts will find our way. Only heaven knows. And all I can do is hope and pray, 'cause heaven knows why I live in despair. 'Cause wide awake or dreaming, I know she's never there. And all the time I act so brave, I'm shaking inside. Why does it hurt me so? Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. And maybe our hearts will find a way. Only heaven knows. And all I can do is hope and pray, 'cause heaven knows. Heaven knows. Heaven knows. Alright, thank you so much. So, sana magustuhan niyo po yung mga kanta ko. Medyo paus po ko ngayon. Essential. So, isa to sa paborito kong kanta. So, sana magustuhan niyo, guys. Lahat ng pagmamahal, oras na aking parang di mo pansin. Ang sama ko sa'yo pa. Oh, diba? Nakakabad trip naman tayo lumilipad. At ako ni at ako'y iniwan mo. Di mo agad sinabi na may duda na sa'yong isip. Pinalalim mo pa ang sugat dito sa aking dibdib. Oh, diba nakaka-bad trip naman, tayo'y lumilipad at ako'y iniwan mo. Oh, diba, 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 pinagmukha mo akong tanga, tayo'y lumilipad at ako'y iniwan mo sa ere. At ako'y iniwan mo sa ere. Ere, ere, at ako'y iniwan mo. 3 bilyon, ikaw lang ang aking gusto. Pasensya na kung ngayon ako'y di para sa iyo. Tayo ay papunta na sa ating bagong yugto. Yugong mabuhay sa isang mundong walang tayo. 3 bilyon, ikaw lang ang aking gusto. Pasensya na kung ngayon ako'y di para sa iyo. Tayo ay papunta na sa ating bagong yugto. Yugong mabuhay sa isang mundong walang tayo. Diba nakaka-bad trip naman, tayo'y lumilipad at ako'y iniwan mo. Oh, diba, 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 pinagmukha mo akong tanga, tayo'y lumilipad at ako'y iniwan mo sa ere. Ere, at ako'y iniwan mo sa ere. Nakaka-padrip naman, tayo'y lumilipad at ako'y iniwan mo pa. Diba ginawa mo pa akong tanga, tayo'y lumilipad at ako'y iniwan mo. Alright, that was my song.
Anong 18? Alin to, chicken McDo. Much malaki, much juicier, much crispier to. Better chicken McDo. Alin to, chicken McDo. Much malaki, much juicier, much crispier to. Better chicken McDo. Alin to, chicken McDo. Much malaki, bigger and better, not so much to love talaga. Better chicken McDo. Alin to, chicken McDo, naghihintay na para sa'yo. Parami na tayo, so in love sa chicken McDo. Ang chicken na para sa atin, so much love dito. Para sa'yo at para sa atin, ang better chicken McDo. Atin to, chicken McDo. Much malaki, much juicier, much crispier to. Better chicken McDo, bigger and better chicken McDo. Atin to, pa-pa-pa-pa.
Direct, medyo mahina po yung music po kanina. We're back in our live. Are we live? Yes, we are live tonight. And thank you for watching me sa mga nanonood dyan. Shout out to my twin sister over there watching. Thank you for watching, sis. Kindly share the live. Pag hindi mo share, hindi kita bibigyan ng chocolate. So ayun, here's my next song po. Hope you like it. It's entitled The Week.
I don't know what it is that you've done to me, but it caused me to act in such a crazy way. Whatever it is that you do when you do what you're doing, and the feeling that I don't understand, 'cause my heart starts beating triple time with thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do when it cause it's you. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, that something takes over me. In the days that it's so amazing, it's hard to face. I want you to stay with me by my side. I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, and it knocks me right off my feet. I can't explain why your love makes me weak. Time after time I try to find it, but your love is strong, it keeps on holding on. Season is dry when you're around, the stars fading. In my condition, I don't want to be alone, 'cause my heart starts beating triple time with thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do with the cause that it's you. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and something takes over me. And the days that it's so amazing, it's not a phase. I want you to stay with me by my side. I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, and it knocks me right off my feet. I can't explain why your love makes me weak. Why your love makes me weak. Alright, that was my song. Alright, we're still alive here in TNT Studio. So thank you for watching, guys. So thank you for supporting me. Patuloy lang kayong sumusupport. Patuloy lang kayong support sa akin. Yeah. Support me, guys, by following my journey in KWC through following my social media, yung through TNC, follow at TNC Now. If you're going to share the live, just choose the hashtag TNC Now. Ganon. Dapat ganon. Alright. So, here's my song, guys. So, I'm going to sing... maganda to. Yun na lang. Bakit ba ikaw? By Michael Pangilinan.
Yes, thank you for my hair by Barber Boy. Ernesto Barber Boy. Mula ng aking masilayan, tinataglay mong kagandahan. Di na maawat ang puso, sa'yo'y magmahal. Laman ka ng puso at isipan, di na kita maiiwasan. Pag-ibig ko sana'y pagbigyan. Bakit ba ikaw ang naiisip ko at di na mawala-wala pa? Kahit na alam ko na ang puso mo ay may mahal ng ang iba. Ayaw ng paawat ng aking damdamin. Tunay na mahal ka na, sana'y hayaan mong ibigin kita. Maghihintay pa rin ang aasa. Masaya ka ba pag siya ang kasama? Di mo na ba ako naaalala? Mukha mo ay bakit di ko malilimutan pa? Laman ka ng puso at isipan, di na kita maiwasan. Pag-ibig ko sana'y pagbigyan. Bakit ba ikaw ang iisip ko at di na mawala-wala pa? Kahit na alam ko na ang puso mo ay may mahal ng ang iba. Ayaw ng paawat ng aking damdamin. Tunay na mahal ka na, sana'y hayaan mong ibigin kita. Maghihintay pa rin at aasa. Sa pag-ibig ko na may nagmamay-ari na, nais ko lang malaman mo na minamahal kita. Di na mawala-wala pa, kahit na alam ko na ang puso mo ay may mahal ng ang iba. Ayaw ng paawat ng aking damdamin. Tunay na mahal ka na, sana'y hayaan mo ibigin kita. Maghihintay pa rin at aasa. Thank you so much. Alright. That was my second to the last song. So, thank you sa nanonood mula hanggang ngayon. Thank you so much. Ito po yung last song ko. So, it's entitled Feeling Good. Feeling Good by Michael Bublé. Michael Bublé. Michael Bublé. Bublé. Ang ganda ko sa screen. Ay, ang gwapo pala. Yung kulay blue po na ano sa YouTube. My Feeling Good. Kulay blue yung. Hi to my sister watching. Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I am feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on a tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies all having fun, you know what I mean. Sleep in a peace when the day is done, that's what I mean. And this old world is a new world, and an old world for me. For it's a new life, it's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life, it's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life, it's a new life, and I'm feeling good. Alright, thank you so much. Pwede pa ba isa? Alright, so thank you so much. Thank you so much. Alright, so thank you for clapping, guys. Thank you for supporting me. So, ito po yung next song ko. It's Huling Il Bimbo. Huling Il Bimbo po. Huling Il Bimbo ba? I-search nyo lang po sa YouTube. Direct. Hindi. Yung version ko na, in-upload ko. Francis Allen Sonorin. Huling Il Bimbo. So, isa po yun sa mga favorite song. Kinakanta ko yan sa mga guesting. Treasure? Sige, mamaya. Treasure. Treasure! Isa na yun. Francis Alensonorin, Huling El Bimbo. At ang hirap, Milky. At ang hirap, Milky. At ang... Alright, promote muna tayo. So, ayun, thank you so much sa lahat na nanonood sa live. Supportahan niyo po ako sa laban natin sa Finland para sa Karaoke World Championship this coming October 6. Sa Finland po, i-pair niyo po ako na manalo yung Philippines. Yes po. Alright, here's the song. At ang hirap.
Can you please tell me what song?
At ang hirap po by Angeline Quinto, Milky. Yan ano lang, Samsith. So, ayun, Huling El Bimbo. So, sa mga nanonood, relax muna kayo dyan. Para luman nung tayo ay bata pa, at ang galing-galing mong sumayaw, makabugi man o cha-cha. Ngunit ang paborito ay ang pagsayaw ng Erwin mo. Nakakaiyak, nakakaliw, nakakatindig, balahibo. Pagkagaling sa eskwela ay didiretso na sa inyo, at buong maghapon ay tinutuluan mo ako. Magkahapon la 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 magkahawak ang ating kamay at walang kamalay-balay. Naturuan mo ang puso ko na umibig ng tunay. Alright, thank you so much. May nag-comment na lang. Pasensya na mo. Hi, shoutout po Dave Alcano, yung kaibigan ko sa Cebu. Singer, magaling na singer po yan. Follow pa media accounts. Alright, thank you po sa nanonood and binabati ko po sila Mary Joy Parasan from Mindanao, Danilo Lipawpaw from Luzon at Erica Buensoseso from Metro Manila. Miss ko na kayo guys. Sana makita tayo dito. Sila po yung nakalaban ko sa KWC Grand Finals here in Manila po. Yun. So, ayun. Alright, so ngayon, kakantahin ko po yung No Si Balas. Just Once. Hindi pala Just Twice. Just Once na lang. Isa po. Ay, kinanta ko yun kanina. Just Once. Oh. Sa medley. Ay, okay. Okay lang yun. Kantahin na lang natin No Si Balas. Sige. Yun pa rin po, nasa Francis Alisnorin version. No Si Balas. Ito lang music. So, yun. Gusto ko yung No Si Balas kasi, gusto ko yung No Si kasi, huwag kang tumawa dyan, Dave. Ano ka ba dyan? Ayun. Oh, ito nakakanta na. Let's go. Alright. No Si Balas. Let's go! Woo! Huwag mong pansinin ang naninira sa'yo. 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 Basta't alam mo lang tamang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong ditibin. Kung patulan mo, lalo ka lang aasarin. No Si Balas. Sino ba sila? No Si Balas. Sino ba sila? Talagang ganyan, huwag mo lang patulan. Wala lang magawa kaya sila'y nagkakaganyan. Wow, wow. No Si Balas. Dave, sino ba sila? No Si si Balasi. Sino ba sila? Sino si Balasi? Sino ba sila? Si Balasi. Sino ba sila? Umalis ka dyan, babe. Joke lang. Alright. Oh my gosh. So, tampuan. Wala sa YouTube. Tampuan. Alright, so here's my second to the last song. So, Lay Me Down. Yeah. Tagpuan pala. Sorry. Ayan na naman. Alright. Naglalagay ng kolorete para di nila malaman ang tunay na naganap na ikaw at ako ay hindi na. May ensayo pang mga ngiti para di halata. Damdamin ko'y pinipigil, sa loob umiiyak dahil ikaw at ako ay hindi na. At ang hirap magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako ay masaya kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. At kumukas pagmulat ng aking mata, may mahal ka na iba, wala na akong magagawa, diba? Paano ko sasabihin sa mga kaibigan ko kung ako hindi nagsisisi? Nabulagan ko na ikaw at ako ay wala na. At ang hirap magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako ay masaya kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. At kumukas ang ulan ng aking mata, may mahal for requesting that song, Ate Bonjour. Thank you. Ang ganda ng kanta po. Alright, here's my last song po. Ito pong song po, ito po yung napanalunan ko sa Karaoke World Championship. Alright, thank you sponsors. Alright, before ako kakanta, papasalamatan ko muna yung mga sponsors dahil kung wala sila, wala sa kaning contest. Alright, so thank you so much, Happy, Santi Barley Max, Dito Home, Everest Appliances, participating sponsors, walang music, Tiffany, Piccadilly, Break, McDo, Basecamp, US Unisol, Katingko, other sponsors. Salamat po sa inyo lahat. Puzzle Box, Dulce Project, The Bar, Ernesto by Barber Boy, thank you so much for my hair, and Red Link, Fullerton, Abra, Sipanchag Coffee, 101.5 Love Radio, 106.7 Energy FM, 91.5 Win Radio, Radio Totoo 585, Exodus, at especially SM, North EDSA, SM Super Malls, sa lahat ng SM, salamat po. At, yun, here's my last song. If you like it, send me Gcash. Joke lang. Thank you for watching. At thank you so much. Good evening, everyone, and see you around when I see you. And good night, everyone.